First, first of step will be to take a backup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one you're selecting? The second one, right? How do you? There are so many here. 325A. Oh, sorry, I was talking on mute actually. So here there are so many 325A. There is only one there. Okay, second one. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Let's read the steps.
Okay.
First, take a backup of this one because take a look here. In this task, we are deploying this one and this one. So this is a new file. So there will be no backup, right?
Hmm.
Only backup would be for ISP apps dash jar. So I will go here and I logged into 325A. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if I go here, you will see I already created a folder prod backup. Okay. This
Okay.
prod backup, you will see the same thing in your case as well. So I use usually this kind of format, right? My 0419. Okay, I created that one. Okay. Now I'm in that folder. Now I'll copy dp cmdb isp lib isp apps dash dot jar. Okay, that's the file name which we are going to replace. So you can verify that one here. See isp apps dash dot jar. That we need to backup.
Yeah.
Right, copy, right. Now the next thing is we will first run some db script, okay, in order to add that report into database. Right now it's not there. So it's up to you. I mean, that stuff you can uh, change these other, but now right now, yes. So we have to run these two,
We are
these
doing
rules.
step three now.
Step three, yes.
Okay.
Okay, now and usually I don't run these at once. I run it one by one. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
How I gonna run? I will go here. I'll go here. I'm opening to that other folder, other place. Okay, this one over there. So CDW snapshot. Okay, snapshot. My snapshot is 90843. This is the one. Okay. Now it has these four versions, right?
Yeah.
This is jar and property file. These are two insert statement and adding three columns, adding three columns to FOPL. And this is UI. Okay. I mean, in your case, it will be different, but that's what we have. Let me do one thing. Let me check one thing here. Prod GF1, repair snapshot, one more time. I just I will remove some versions. Okay, some versions I will remove from the snapshot, and then I will run. I'll show you.
Remove snapshot.
Yeah, I'll tell you that. Why I do that? Just to be safe. I'll show you. I'll show you. You have a kid?
Yeah.
How many?
Oh, two.
2 kids. Oh.
Yeah. You have one?
Which class? Which class?
They are in 10th grade and 8th grade.
My daughter is in college. Younger daughter is in 5th grade, and son is in 3rd grade.
Oh, okay, nice.
Okay, now I did this one, right? Now I'm going, as I said, I will remove something, okay? You will see. I usually do that just to be safe, right? I'm not going to deploy the portal right now, okay? I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to deploy, I can do that, but I will not do that. I will remove this one as well.
From snapshot, you're removing the versions.
Version. Those are still there that you deploy. I'm just saying that I'm not going to deploy right now. I will do one by one. I usually do one by one. Okay, just to be safe side that there is no problem. Occurs. So now at this time I'm going to just run this collateral public fund insert statement. Okay, now I go back because if something goes wrong with the database, you cannot do anything. That's where I'm very scared of always from database scripts. Okay, now I have this one, right? I'm opening another one, and here, deploy, will select to, because you cannot do anything directly to the versions, which we did in the QA, right? We can run anything in QA by selecting from version. But I think in prod, it does not allow. It allows only through snapshot. Okay, so I'm going to select that snapshot. Now my snapshot have only this insert, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to run that one. Okay. Right now, GF1 is active. GF2 is not active.
Alright.
So, okay. So let me run that one. After that, we will run the other script, which will add 3 columns in our case, in our
Okay.
PL table. After that, we will deploy jar file.
Yeah.
Which we already copied. And then last
UI.
yes. And then some stuff Sarah will do that in the morning. She will add that report into the portal, and then we'll do that.
So UI changes you made or somebody else made?
UI changes we made. We make it, but I'll show you, because I think there is a new report you have as well, right?
Yeah.
Some new report you are working, right? So it will more or less it will be same for you as well. I'll show you.
So because snapshot, when you deploy, all of them go at once, that's why you removed everything and you only kept the DB changes so that you can do one by one.
For now, one by one, yes. Okay. So it says one row created into this table, one row created into this table. In your case, if it's PDF, then we will have another entry. I'll tell you. That is in tab. You see here, we don't have entry in the ISP XDP dot tab ISP reports table. You see?
Yeah.
We don't have that entry because PDFs run through that table. Java, Excel files, Excel reports does not run through that. So that's why you don't see it here. Okay, this is done. Let me go back here. I'm going to remove that version. Okay, now I'm going to add the other one, which is 482. You can do that I mean, together, but I always keep it simple.
But
That
is
is
there a way to
simple.
do it in order even though you have everything? Because sometimes you want to do the U8, I mean DB script first and then uh,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm doing that, and even DB script, because in our case, the sequence is very important. We
yeah,
have to run one by one. So that's what I'm saying. What I'm doing right now, I'm running those. I mean, although those both scripts are totally different with each other, but I'm still running it one by one.
yeah,
In our case, it's mandatory to run that one in sequence because we have to take a backup first.
yeah,
Otherwise, if we rename, then there will be no backup.
yeah.
That's too dangerous actually. Okay, so now I'm going to select this one. Okay, okay, okay. Submit. Now DB script, DB changes will be done. After that,
So you are able to do this only because the CR, how is it validating that this is right time to do it, allowing you to do it, changes to production? Because we have the CR open, right? Work in progress.
yeah, that's why. Otherwise, I will not be able to log into here.
No, that is fine. In Linux, I understand, but here they're where they're checking in U deploy
Yeah, yeah. They check that. When you
initially.
run the yeah,
Hmm.
I think it's here. I
It
believe
validates, yeah,
somewhere. See, validate CR number. Check this.
yeah.
Here, I think it parsed the CR number. Then I think on the next step, it actually, yeah, here, verify CR is approved. Then it checks that CR is approved. See,
Oh, yeah, nice.
they have connected this one with the service now.
Correct,
So,
correct, yeah.
see, you check this. This is when
Hmm.
start time, end time, current time. So current time should be in between
Start time and
start
end
and
time.
end time.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it will kick you out. So, and then snapshot here. That okay, you have those version into ARA you deploy. See ARA you deploy task. Those should be there. I mean here. That's what I was
Oh,
saying.
it should always be there in. Oh, it's
Yes.
doing that much.
Check.
Okay.
Check this. If you will
Oh,
not add it here in your CR, you will not be able to run it.
oh, that is very important. Even it's checking that.
Yes. Everything is connected. I mean, very, very controlled environment. They tried actually, and I think they are they are right, right? I mean,
Yeah, yeah,
they they should be doing this. Otherwise, we will screw up everything.
yeah.
Okay. So now we ran that, and I believe it will show me here. So basically, it added
Trigger.
three columns. Here, three columns, I believe. Let's check that one. How are we gonna check? I mean, because I already have prod open, so I will go there and here ASPXDB FOPL. Three columns are there. Non-equalized, contingent, and max percent. Same column should be here as well as the trigger should be updated. That's important. So is the trigger? Trigger is this one. FOPL underscore modification. I believe that's the one which we need. Here, this one. Over here. These are the columns. Okay.
Hmm.
After that, I think here we don't do anything with that. That's why I did not. Okay, both are done. Okay, now I'm going to remove this one as well. So DB changes are done. Now the the next thing is I have to add ISP scripted. Okay, that version is this one, FOPL collateral public fund 765. Okay.
765. Is it correct? 765, right? Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me read that on my cloud. I don't want to do something missing. Okay. DB changes are done. You deploy. Okay. And all files will be updated. Okay. That and one properties. Okay. And then okay. So .gf1 deploy snapshot is this 1190843009. Okay. Let's okay. Okay. And it would also change the version on your components, right? It will change it to the here FOPL ran in prod. Same thing here. Insert ran in prod. So that it will change that one as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now it's running. We can go here and for example, if I'll go to CMDB ISP lib. Okay. You will see right now the last file is from March 19th. This file, right? ISP FI. Now it got replaced the April 13th.
Huh?
Yeah, here.
Okay. Today is April 19th, but the file is from April 13th.
April 13th in the udeploy when we created
Okay.
our see
Yeah, April 13th.
here. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will go and we'll check in DB ISP config. Yes. Collateral pub fund dot properties. Okay.
What is this? So.
That's a property file.
Hmm.
Not right now. I mean, you will see that one. Don't worry. You will see that. I mean, right
So when
now
you deploy, this property file will automatically update as well.
Actually, it was not there. It just copied the file.
Yeah, it's part of the deployment then, right?
Part of the deployment, yes. Okay. So now I'm going to do this is something manual I have to do because I am not able to usually run the individual file from the jar. So what I usually do cd isp bin. Okay. Now next step is because these are Excel files, Excel reports. So I have to do something extra. vi isp apps batch.sh. Okay. This is the actual shell script which runs all the reports. Okay. Then we have a method here. I think other reports. And this one. Yeah. ISP other. ISP app other. So what I'm going to do,
You are adding one more
Yes,
for this new report.
for new report.
So this also you have to do during deployment time. You cannot do beforehand.
No, we cannot change anything. We are allowed only through deployment. We have to specify what we are going to do on the server. So, not added public fund, collateral public fund. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I have to do something else.
So how many scripts you have to change? Two or more?
This is a separate script. I use it for to run the report. Actually, it's not part of it because I cannot run it. Whenever I run it from Java class, I don't know why it always runs all the reports. So I could not get a chance to look at it. So load call pub, but I have this my script, you can say, on server, which I use it for.
And at the end you delete it also?
No, we keep it. It's not part of the original script.
Load call pub fund. Oh, this is a new one, so I added one more.
Yeah, so at least we can run that one. Okay, and
This is for especially for validation.
just for validation, I have to talk to HTML. I have to talk to Sardi sometime, but I am not able to do that. Why it does not run from the jar file? I have to run it through shell script method. Okay, call.
All this of is already there in QA also, I believe, right?
Most of them are there.
You're seeing the logs?
No. We will see the logs as well, but we'll see the actual file. It will be there. With error? Why error? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So what it is saying that you are not authorized to upload the file, okay? It is right. So, oh my God, wait, what happened? 20250417. File should be there, yes. Okay, file is there. Now I think it is gonna send an email. Oh man.
Because you ran it? Oh,
Yeah,
because
I
there is
ran
an
it.
error.
Error is now somebody will come up. Oh man, what you did. Okay, anyway. Okay. Okay.
So we are not supposed to run the file?
No, we are supposed to run the file. Actually, I forgot the flag. Publish, don't publish it. So I did that one.
Okay, okay.
Anyway, that's not a big deal. Let me show you. So I'm going to. For that, I have to talk to Sarah. She will add this report into portal permissions. Then I will be able to publish it. I will show you. I mean, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I will come back online and I will show you. Okay. I don't know whether that password will work or not. Oh man.
So our jar file, everything is there now, and you are testing with the new file, right? New report you are testing now,
New
right?
report. Yeah, yeah. I want to test that one.
But you won't be able to test until Sarah does the thing. Online you
I
cannot
can.
test.
No, yeah, I cannot publish it to portal. It won't be there, but I am able to see that report. I'm going to download it. Okay, I'll show you. I mean, report is there. Report got generated.
Yeah.
It's in the folder over here. See, last. But I cannot see it. I mean, I have to download it.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm going to open up.
So that MOBA X that you can use to download it to local or?
Local, yes. But for that, I need a password. I have to change the password for service ID, but now I will use, actually, no, it will not allow me. Okay. I'm going to pull the password for SCID. Yeah.
That's yours.
That's my SCID. Okay. So I'm going to copy the prod password for my SCID. And I will use that one. Okay.
You are logging into platform ID, testing reports.
Oh, it didn't mean that one. Okay. Yes. I'm going to.
This is MOBA external?
Yes. Now it's good. So I'm going to that folder, right? 0417. Now I can download.
This is 17 is old one, right?
Oh,
Today is
17.
19. Okay.
I cannot run, right? I mean, we cannot run for the latest date.
Okay.
It has to be whatever the data is available. Right now, Thursday's data is available. Friday data will be available on Monday morning.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so desktop, new folder. Let's go to the new folder. Okay, here is the file. So file got generated. Okay,
So just
now
one tab it has. Yeah.
one tab only. Yeah. Okay, now this part is done. Actually, I have to go and I have to change. Because validation already started. I have to go and I have to change this part, this one, this validation as well.
So execution you have to do done or what?
No, 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 we'll keep it. We'll keep it open.
Okay.
Don't change anything for now until you are done. For example, you need something, then what will happen?
Yeah.
Right. So work, keep it running, work in progress. No worries. Okay. Now this is done. Did it send an email or no? No.
Did you
Okay.
put all the 4 tasks in work in progress or only 3 so far?
Oh, all four for now. Because I use three at least, right? Fourth one I opened up. We'll keep, I mean,
Yeah.
this one is for Sarah actually, when she will add that one.
Okay.
So one more thing I have to do. Actual public one. Okay. I just want to make sure that there is no other surprise. Okay. This looks good. Now I am going to deploy
The UI part?
UI part. Last is 429 I have. CR. Let me read the CR. I'm reading the CR as well. So this is done. This is done. This is done. ISP app badge are done. This file is here.
What is that
I
EAR?
have.
CD web EAR? That's the UI?
That's a UI. Yes.
Okay.
This is done. Okay. Now I have mentioned that new report has been added. So Sarah will do that. You will do the same thing. Okay. You will
Yeah.
add this line as well. That Sarah will do that, and we will contact too. We will contact with Sarah. We'll ask her to add that one. So she will add
So for this, again, you have to, Sunday morning, you have to log in again at what time?
tomorrow. Tomorrow. I mean, I will send an email right now, and she will do that in the morning. Usually she does 8 or 9. After that, we will do that.
You just,
I have open. I have this year open until tomorrow night. So we
yeah.
have time. Tomorrow night. So we have time.
So just for their convenience, we are giving them extra day, or else she could have logged in at this time and done it, right?
She can do that, but I mean, it's not appropriate, right? I mean, we have time, so
Yeah.
do that in the morning, and we will do
We'll just do
after
the
this.
checkup.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, after that, once she will add, I will run that one again. After that, the report should appear here.
Yeah. In the production. This is
The
QA, right?
production. Yeah, right. So once it will be, she will add up. I already told her that add it under this menu.
Yeah.
So it will come up like this.
Yeah.
The QA, it will come up in the prod. Okay.
29.
And one more thing, not for you, but for we have two servers, right? Two sites, GF1 versus GF2. We are deploying everything on GF1.
Yeah.
But in the portal side, in the UI, we do deployment on two sites. That's why you will see a version snapshot here. You will see that snapshot. See, I have another snapshot, a separate snapshot for GF2. Not relevant for you for now because we are not going to make any changes in UI. But that's what we have. Okay. Now 429 is here. I'm going and I'm going to run that one. Deploy, select snapshot 843, and I'm going to pick out that one.
Why do I have to create another snapshot? Can we not deploy the snapshot in GF2 also?
Nah.
It will not allow.
Once you will deploy, it will say you already deployed.
Oh.
It will not allow you. That's why we create another snapshot for
Okay.
GF2. And we will run that one on here, run process on GF2.
Yeah.
Right? That one. Okay. This one is, it will take a minute or two because it's a year file, large year file, so it takes a little more time.
So these UI changes is in what like in JSP or what kind of UI?
Yeah, PHP starts very old actually application.
And you made those changes, right?
I made, yeah. The application is very old. I made the changes, yes.
And it's just like adding another line to show the new report.
No. That I did not add. The changes which I made, those are for different part.
Oh, it's a different change, not related to this report.
Not report. Yeah, it's not related. That change is related to this UI.
Oh, okay.
That UI, and here we have added these columns. See, non-collateralized, you saw those.
Yeah.
Non-collateralized, contingent, and maximum percent. So we added these columns in the database as well as in this UI.
Okay.
So my changes for UI are related to this.
Okay,
this,
got it.
Form as well as some. You see here on the end 3 columns. Also here these 2 columns.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now it's deploying here. But in prod we cannot test.
We don't have access to any prod like reports or this. We don't have access,
No.
right?
We have access to the reports, but we don't have access to this menu, fund pledge, because this is data which you can modify. This is customer data.
Yeah.
So they did not allow us in prod. So what I'll do, once deployment will be done, we will ask
Sarah to
Kirk
verify.
and Brian to go and check. They will say, okay, we can see this, and they will test it. They will sign off.
But production reports we can view?
Yeah, here. Production reports are...
Just now you showed me in QA, so that one in production also we can view. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm not sure whether I have the access or not. I should check, right?
Yes, you can check. See, these are the reports.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
reports are there.
Yeah.
It will come up here once she will add tomorrow. Then I will run the same command. I mean, from here, I will run the same command, and it will run that report.
Yeah.
And it will publish it here. That's how it comes. This is running right now. That's starting there right now.
Sardi actually works in more in the scripts and that side, or also everything like Java, struts, everything like reports. He works in everything, or? Sardi?
I mean, you will work on all places tomorrow. You see that, right? I mean, once you will be working the reports, you have to do something on the script side as well. And you have to do something on the database side as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we don't have a database developer. So right now we are having issues with the database as well. I mean, development. That's how it works in the PNC.
Yeah. No, I was more curious on which areas are these strong in. Like, I mean, you said earlier you were going to ask him for script something, right? Some help. So maybe I thought he's.
These scripts he wrote a
Okay,
long
okay.
time back.
Yeah.
So now I'm working with him. I mean, wherever I can. Mostly they gave me report development, anything. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
if something comes up, okay, do this one, do that one. If I will not be familiar, I'll ask him that, okay, give me that one. Or he asked me that, okay, get Bitbucket, branches, everything. So
Okay, and Sardi also works everything like you only, I guess, right?
right. I mean,
Okay, okay.
tomorrow you will work on everything as well. Okay, so
Okay.
now you can see here ran in prod. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to deploy the other one.
GF2.
Okay, GF2. So snapshot 43 GF2 component version, same version here. I'm going to deploy that one into GF2. Deploy snapshot GF2.
This snapshot name is different, right?
Oh yes, sorry, you're right. Yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
GF2. Okay,
Hmm.
and deploy. Once this will be done, and I'm going to send an email. Where is that? Where is my CR?
So basically, there is nobody. We do everything by ourselves, and we are more or less we should be done without any issues. If we are done, right?
If we are done, we are done. If we are, if something goes wrong, then nobody is here to
Help.
support you. You are crying, and everybody will say, "Okay, we'll see you on Monday."
Oh,
I mean, it's very dangerous. Actually, that's what I'm saying. Very, very.
so
You have to be very
Sardi
careful.
joins with you or he stopped joining with you?
Nobody does. I mean, if you are, if this is my CR, right?
Yeah, but the backup is Sardi, so I thought he will be
If
also.
something, actually, if I need him, then I will call him.
Oh,
Otherwise,
okay.
he will not join.
Yeah,
Why
yeah,
he gonna come, right?
yeah, yeah.
It says that backup means if I'm not able to
Available.
do that for some personal emergency or something, his
Correct.
computer is not working,
Hmm.
then he will come back. I mean, he will come online. Otherwise, nobody comes.
Yeah.
You are alone. Okay. What I gonna do? Okay, let me forward this one. Sarah. Oh, Sarah is online? Seriously? Let me check. If she's online, she can do that right now.
Yeah, it will
Let me
save
check. But I
time.
will not ask her this time. No, she's not online. She's offline since Thursday. She took off on Friday even. Okay. Sarah, Fran, James, who else? Fran, Raj.
So you're ready to send them email that everything is done?
Yes. No, not everything is done from my side for the
Yeah.
report.
Only Sarah, yeah, that part is left, but the rest everything is done. So GF2 is right now supporting only UI, but it's not supporting anything else.
Anything else, yes.
So what happens? I mean, we have like GF1 and GF2 so that we'll have a backup, right? So what happens if something
They
goes
have
wrong in
both
GF1?
servers. If something goes wrong in it, so they have two data centers. One is GF1, other is GF2. Everything, when they switch from GF1 to GF2, It's a, bank-wise change. So it's not a change that you will ask or somebody will ask and they will do it. No, it's a bank-wise change and it's a big event actually.
Oh, okay.
BC event they asked, and at that time, I mean, RTV does most of the things at that time. They change all the connections, they verify everything. So it's a big event. They are
Oh, okay.
delaying it since October, November.
Hmm.
Now it got delayed March, April. Otherwise, at any time they will announce this. You will see that. They will because at that time you have to come online for supporting ECI. They will
Oh,
switch from GF1 to GF2. At that time, VDM people will switch from GF1 to GF2. MDM will switch one from GF, or I mean MDM doesn't because it's a web service. But databases, all databases will switch from GF1 to GF2, and that kind of thing. So it's a big event actually,
and it
big
it's
big
sure
event.
to happen at least once or twice a year, or?
Twice a year, every 6 months they do this. So
Oh,
that's what I'm saying.